Get up. To rise from bed. I usually get up at 6 a.m. on weekends. Get along. To have a friendly relationship. They get along well despite their different. Take off. To leave the ground. The plane will take off in 20 minutes. Take over. To gain control. He will take over the family business next year. Take out. To remove. He took out the trash before leaving for work. Hang out. To spend time socially. We usually hang out at the mall on weekends. Turn on. To start the operation of a device. She turned on the heater because it was cold. Turn off. To stop the operation of a device. Please turn off the lights before leaving. Break up. To end a relationship or meeting. They decided to break up after 2 years together. Put out. To extinguish. The firefighters put out the fire in no time. Call off. To cancel something. The football match was called off due to heavy rain. Go out. To leave home for social activities. They went out for dinner last night. Show up. To appear or arrive. He didn't show up for the party last night. Go on. To continue. She paused for a moment and then went on with her story. Bring about. To cause something to happen. The new policy brought about positive change. Turn down. To refuse or reject. He turned down the job offer. Take back. To return something to a place. Don't forget to take back the library books. Set up. To arrange or establish something. They set up a new store downtown. Go off. To stop functioning. The alarm clock went off at 5 a.m. Get by. To manage to survive or make a living. She gets by on a small income. Turn into. To transform into something else. The caterpillar turned into a butterfly. Get out. To physically leave. She told him to get out of the car. Cut off. To disconnect. They cut off the electricity power. Bring up. To mention or topic to raise a child. She brought up 5 children on her own.